On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don say make dem put clearing house for ground as dis one go help chook eye put on top building construction for Edo State. Governor Godwin Obaseki tok dis one for courtesy visit wey members of Edo State chapter of Association of Professional Bodies for Construction Industry carry come Government House for Benin City. E tok say dem need to dey maintain how construction dey go for Edo State before e bad well well, and e still yarn say dem no fit shele for area wey crime dey well well. Governor Godwin Obaseki say dem need to set up the committee quick so that dem go start work, and e say members of the committee go still dey on top urban planning process for big city projects for Edo State. E say the committee go ready to work with Edo State Government to do dis ogbonge work for Edo pipo. Chairman of the association, Sonny Ohehen, tok say the idea of clearing house na beta one because e go increase Edo State IGRO, that's na internally generated revenue, and e go create job for Edo pipo. Na so e go still make Edo State be fine place for we country. E con tok say the clearing house go be place where representatives of pipo wey dey for building industry go dey, like architects, town planners, builders, surveyors, and other pipo wey dey for building industry. Na here we see dis update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Obaseki don tok say make dem put clearing house for ground wey go dey chook eye put for building construction for Edo State. Make una know say dis ogbonge update wey come meet una so na T Live Media na carry am come give una. And to dey get more of dis ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Like and follow us for Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for T Live Media. Una fit still log on to www.tlivemedia to get more ogbonge informate.